The star room is made of semi-transparent materials such as polymer, transparent plastic, or special glass, allowing residents to enjoy the sounding natural scenery and starry sky from 360 degrees without dead angles, providing ultimate visual enjoyment. The star room adopts a modular design that allows for easy disassembly and assembly, allowing it to be moved to different locations as needed. The star room is equipped with comfortable beds, soft sofas, air conditioning, and other facilities, ensuring that residents can enjoy the warmth and comfort of home. At the same time, sound insulation materials effectively isolate the interference of external noise, providing a peaceful resting environment for residents.